Hello traders, Red here and welcome to Bitcoin in a Minute Day 41. As usual, if you like this series, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's do it. As you already know, Bitcoin broke above this range upward and it's currently retesting it. That's why we'll be looking for trend following buy setups. And yes, we are bullish now, but it would be just from a medium term perspective because it is simply a correction inside this big bearish trend. So as mentioned multiple times already, as we approach the upper bound, the 2830K and the upper blue trend line, we'll be speculating a bearish movement from here. But anyway, let's take it step by step, right? If you zoom into H4 time frame, we know that from yesterday that we are currently trading inside these two channels, the flat one and the steep one. So this entire zone is a good zone to look for buy stops, as it's also intersecting with the upper bound which was broken upward previously. So as mentioned, as price approach this area, we'll be looking for buy stops. If you zoom into M30, as mentioned yesterday, we were waiting for this break to happen, and I have my alert here. I don't know if you can see it, but it didn't go off. So I was waiting for this break to happen and then for the boost to take over. Meanwhile, the bears can still kick in and drive price lower, as mentioned from this lower projection. So price went traded lower. Let's update our analysis. I'll keep this zone now anyway. It's a good one that price has been respecting for a long period of time. So now let's draw this channel and make an offset for it. That's it. Let's make it in blue, for example. Make an offset, and this is it. So as price retest this area, of course, we'll be looking for buy stops from a short-term perspective, but from a long-term perspective, as a trend following buy stop, we'll be waiting for this and then a break above this range. Then and only then the boost will take over to start the next impulse movement upward, because currently the correction movement started just like here. Started the correction, then the boost took over, started the correction while waiting for the boost to take over. And as mentioned multiple times, I would like to see Bitcoin approaching this area to form the buy setup first, and like not breaking here, which is currently happening, just like what I would like to see. Anyway, for now, until this happens, or until at least we see a breakup of this, and preferably after forming the swing high, Bitcoin can still trade lower and lower, dive inside the support area before trading higher. In this case, as we trade lower, we'll be looking for new buy setups. For example, we'll be updating our trend line, for example, like this. Here we go. In this case, a movement lower, and here we go would be expected. But anyway, let's take it step by step, and I'll update it tomorrow. Best of luck. I see you